All right, so I am prototyping this morning. This is the transformer that I had redone the leaves on, and you can see this is my little prototype variac. It has a small variac in it um, that lets me change the voltage, the AC voltage to whatever I'm testing. I don't have. I need to get a voltmeter for this so I can check it on here, but in lieu of that, what I normally do is I take voltmeter and I have the probes hooked to the AC leads so I can see how much AC volts I'm putting into something. But this is the transformer that I took the leaves out of and redid the wiring in and put the leaves back in. That's from that Commodore 64. This is the circuit of a Commodore 64 power supply. And what I have done here on the desk with clip leads is make that. So this is the 5 volt regulator right here. This is the rectifier right here. It's a center tap rectifier. So the two outside leads, the two outside wires on that winding go to the two rectifier diodes, which are these right here. Then the rectified voltage goes to the regulator right here. This is a filter cap and another filter cap after the regulator. The center tap acts as the ground lead. So when you come out here, you got negative and positive. The other winding here is the 9 volts AC. That is the two yellow wires sticking up here that are hooked to nothing. It actually has 9 volts AC on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back out of the way. That's a data sheet for this particular, this is 7805 regulator. So we'll turn this on. All right, it's on. Not making any AC voltage yet. I'm going to turn it up. You can see we're starting to get a little bit of DC through that regulator. We'll get it. It doesn't break 5 volts. It's got 1 volt until it hits about 60 volts here. So there we go. We got 60 volts and it gets to its regulated voltage. So anywhere, let's go ahead and get it up to about 115, 117. You can hear that voltage. You hear that? See, I've got 5.16 volts. And I can vary this a little bit. I can go up to 120, stays at 516. I can go down to, let's see, where does it drop off? Okay, so 105 volts is where the regulator starts to drop just a little bit. But I think that's pretty good. And up to 125 volts. And this is how I prototype a power supply on the desk. Y'all have a good day.